In this video, I'll be sharing my experience using GoodNotes on Android.
It feels more like GoodNotes 5 rather than GoodNotes 6. I'll tell you why in a minute.
But if you're looking for an upfront conclusion of this app, then I must say it's a great app, but it's incomplete. Well, as of now at least, GoodNotes have been one of my favorite handwritten note-taking apps for the iPad. I myself have been using it for almost 5 years now, but when it comes to the Android version, well, I have mixed feelings about this one.
First up, I'm super happy to finally get GoodNotes for Android devices.
As of today, you can only access them using Samsung tablets. It's not there openly on the Google Play Store yet. At least in India, it's not there. I recently bought the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. I'll be uploading the full review of this tab soon, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel for that. In case you are new over here, hey guys, my name is Prithviraj and let's get right into it. Alright, GoodNotes 6 comes pre-installed in Samsung tablets. You might have to update it once on the Galaxy Store, but yeah, after that you're good to go. GoodNotes is packed with features that make it a great note-taking app for students, professionals and anyone else who needs to take a lot of notes. If you have never used GoodNotes, then I must say the user interface is really well designed and easy to use. You won't be facing any issues navigating through the app. You can create different folders and notebooks in order to organize your notes. You can customize the color and the icon of your folders. This feature was basically added with the GoodNotes 6 update for the iPad. You can import PDFs on GoodNotes. You can simply just add in your workbooks and take notes or highlight stuff directly on the PDF. There is one neat little thing you can do to ease up your workflow. It has this pointer tool. You can use it to quick read your books. It basically acts as your pointer finger. You can change the page layout, you can change the type of pages you want, ruled, dotted, blanked, etc. For example, let me create a dotted notebook with black background, cause I'm always in dark mode as you can see. One of the things that I liked the most about GoodNotes was the ability to choose between different covers for your notebooks. That allows us to get a more of a personal feel. They have also added some Samsung exclusive covers over here. You are able to choose between different pen options. For example, you can choose between a fountain pen, a ball pen and also a brush pen. Also, you can adjust the pressure sensitivity and the size as per your liking. Also, you can change the color. You have certain quick toggles here, else you can select your desired color from the color picker. You can also draw shapes, and like I previously mentioned, you can use the highlighter tool to highlight stuff over here. You can import media inside your notes. For example, let me quickly import a photo over here. You can even add stickers and sticky notes. It has this lasso tool. You can simply create a selection using that and it will allow you to move around your text and also resize and rearrange it. I really found this left hand panel convenient for navigating between different pages. Will be useful when you have hundreds of pages to go through. Let's discuss the most important aspect, the writing experience. How does it feel taking notes on this app? I always recommend this in every video of mine. Get a matte screen protector. That way you'll get a better writing experience. You won't feel like you're writing on glass. Alright, so writing here with the S Pen really felt smooth. I got a very natural and handwritten feel while taking notes. But one thing I noticed, there was a certain latency while I was writing on it. It wasn't happening always, but it was happening. And that was really annoying, to be honest. It was taking away the feel of writing, and it often felt jittery while scrolling at times.
I'll be honest, GoodNotes for Android has a very big issue when it comes to the latency. I feel that Samsung Notes rather did a better job than that. So I really hope they fix this in a new update.
In the starting of this video, I mentioned that it feels more like GoodNotes 5 rather than GoodNotes 6. Although you have the interface and everything of GoodNotes 6, but all the features are just not present as of now. There was a dedicated text tab that was added in GoodNotes 6 update, but that just isn't here yet. You can of course add a text block and add your text over there, but it's not the same as having a dedicated text tab. The new text tab in the iPad looks very similar to that of MS Word. Would be really cool if GoodNotes gets that on Android really soon. We also got many AI features on the iPad, like the spell check feature where the AI will fix our spelling mistakes, that too in our own handwriting. That's not there for Android yet. I'll excuse the AI math assistant feature for now as it's in beta, even on the iPad. But yeah, the spell check feature should have been there at least. But what I miss about GoodNotes 6 the most on Android here is that you could actually scribble off your text if you made a mistake and it will erase that for you. That is so satisfying. Really a bummer that it's not there yet. The GoodNotes marketplace is also absent. In short, many aspects of GoodNotes isn't there as of now. Hence I called it incomplete at the start. If you have a Samsung tablet, then I suggest that you try out this app. It was one of the best writing experiences you can get. I really hope GoodNotes releases for all Android devices soon, and also I hope we get all the features soon, since it's incomplete as of now. And if you wanted to check out some other options that you can use, then click here to check out my video on the best note-taking apps for Android. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you there.